Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution on Joomla site. Today we are going to set up single sign-on in Joomla using PingOne as an IDP. Log in to your Joomla site. Click on the system. Click on extensions. Search SAML under the search box. Select miniOrange SAML SSO for Joomla. And click Install button. Installation of the package successfully. Click on the components. Then select miniOrange Single Sign-on. And click on Service Provider Setup. Now let's log in to your PingOne account. Click on the SSO button of Administrators. Click on the Connections. Click on the Add Application. Enter application name. Enter description as per your choice. Choose application type, select SAML application. Click on the Configure button. SAML configuration, click on Manually enter. Under the SAML Configuration Details tab, fill in the details of Joomla as a service provider with a given input field. First of all, fill in the ACS URL. Go to Joomla as Service Provider. Click on Service Provider Metadata. Copy the ACS URL. SAML Configuration tab and paste the ACS URL. Now copy Entity ID. Go to Joomla as Service Provider. Copy SP Entity ID. SAML Configuration tab, paste the Entity ID. Click on the Save button. You have successfully configured a new application. Go to the Attribute Mapping. Select Attribute by clicking on Add Mapping. Click on Email address. Click on the Save button. Attribute mapping saved successfully. Then click on Configuration. Then click on the Download metadata. Go to the Service Provider Setup tab. Click on Upload IDP metadata. Choose the metadata file. Click on the Upload button. Identity provider details successfully. Click on the Test configuration. We have successfully tested. Let's see how it works. SSO. Copy SSO URL. Open a new browser or private window, enter URL. Enter username. Enter password. Click on the Sign On button. User login successfully. Congratulations! User successfully logged in using SSO. miniOrange provide best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.